Ethnic Boss Production presents a full-length Jamaican movie. Josiah Mannie daughter Petra. Starring sister Petra's Josiah. Ethnic Boss's Jeremia.
Petra is getting on top of my last nerve. Look on the time. Her school over from 2 o'clock. And now it's after 5. And that girl don't reach her house as yet. If I ever go on the road and see her, playing or talking to anybody, she will see what I will do to her in here. She thinks she's going to put me to shame in this village. She will see what will happen to her. That girl, it seems like she wants to put me to open disgrace in this village. I'm a Christian woman and I grow her very well. So she thinks she's going to come here and disgrace me. Let me ever catch that girl playing or doing anything out of the way and she will see something. She will see what I'll do to her. She wants to put her mother to open disgrace. So I love you, see, man.
Love you too, you know.
I can't wait to come and live with you. I don't want to live with mommy, you know.
It's just to your mother a problem, you know.
She too miserable, man. I want to live with you.
So you're sure say she gonna work and she not there home?
I don't know where she there right now because of the woman that's so genial.
Rain a come quick, hurry up and come out of rain.
Give me strength. Give me strength to deal with this girl. Because I noticed from the other day, this girl, she's behaving away. She's acting away strange. Give me strength, God. I tried my best with this girl. She's fatherless. And this girl wants to put me to shame. When I'm through with her, she will see something.
Run.
What is wrong with these young girls? These young girls of today. I got pregnant when I was 16 years old. And I didn't have anybody to help me. So she thinks she's coming here to do the same thing, to follow my footstep. That's what she wants to do to me. That's what you want to do to me, Petra. It will not work. It will not happen here. Look at the hours. You want to tell me you don't reach to your house as yet. It's almost 5:30 and your school over from 2 o'clock. You want me to, what? You want me to destroy you? You want me to destroy you, Petra? You have to come and pass all your tests so that you can be a lawyer or a doctor. Yeah, that's all right, man.
You want me to see me can carry her?
No, I drop me, man.
I'll drop you.
Thank you, baby. What is wrong with you? Look at all the things that I'm doing for you all without a father. Your father leave you from you were a baby. And you want to come and put your mother to disgrace in this village. I'm a Christian woman. And this is the things that you want to do to me. And you're doing these things regularly you're doing these things to your mother. I don't know what is wrong with you. Little girl, what is wrong with you? Who is this calling me at this time? I don't even want to talk to anybody now. Hello? Hey, Miss Maureen. What are you saying to me? That you see Petra? Where she's at? She's the one that I'm looking for and the rain is falling and she haven't come home as yet. You see she and Jeremiah? Where? At Jeremiah's house. Miss Maureen, you're telling me a lie. You're telling me a lie. This girl want to destroy me, oh. This girl, so she's not up at the school. Okay. I'm going down there right now. I don't know what is wrong with these young girls. Okay. I am going back down there, oh. You sure you see them? You sure you see them? I'm going to deal with that girl when I see her. Okay, okay. Don't. Thank you. I am so grateful. Thank you, oh. Thank you, oh.
So babes, that this is my house, you know.
You're pretty.
You don't really stay too good, you know, babes.
Nothing wrong with it. You look good. Me love you. And me no business where you want to live. Me just want to know say me there where you're there.
You know, say I just two
But I
mama
watch
dead
that.
and papa dead. Me have to live here, so. And them they want to fix up the place, you know, babes.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nobody give yourself no trouble. Me no business where you want to live, you know. I love you. And me no care. Me don't ask mommy if you can live with we.
So you sure say she will want me live there?
You know, for my mother miserable already, but me no care. Me still don't ask her, cause me love you and me will do anything for you. If she even want to lick me, me no care.
Thank you for that, yeah? Never.
Me know you love me now, me love you too. You're pretty, man.
Yeah?
Yes. Look what I have to be walking through. Look what I have to be walking through. You see what this girl is putting me through in this wet? Huh? Don't even know where to walk. Look on the old dirty place. Look on the dirty place that he have my daughter in. Huh? Look on that place. That girl have no ambition. No ambition. Huh? Petra! Get from out! This is the place that you come. This is what you put your mother to shame for. This old building. Look at it. Get out! I'm calling you. Petra! I said... This girl, you want to put me to shame. I can't even... You hear me? I said to come out. I said... I can't even find... I said to come from out there. Get out. Huh? My God. You. I can't believe I really trust you. Can't believe I trust this girl. I can't believe. Hey. You're running. Don't worry. I will meet up with you. And you. Get out. Petra, come out. You hear me? You're afraid of coming out. I said to get out. Okay, I will dress back and you will meet me out here. Petra, you're a disgrace. You're a disgrace, little girl. Look at this old shack that you let this boy bring you in. Eh? Look at this. Look at the house that you live in. Look at that nice house. And you let this boy bring you in old shack. Eh? You are a disgrace to me in this village. You are a disgrace to me in this village. My God, you want to kill your mother. I'm a Christian and look at the disgrace that you put me through. Eh? Tell me now. Look at what you're coming out of. Look at what you're coming out of, girl. Hey. Mommy, you know say me love him from my heart, though. You're talking about you love him from your heart. You love him from your heart. If you get pregnant, Petra, where he's going to bring you? Look on the house. Look on the house that you're in. If you stay in that house, with that baby, all of you would drown in it. You're talking about you love him. You have no ambition. Look at your face. But I love him. Mommy, you can't make him come live with me like he no mother, no father. You don't even have any respect for me. You come and tell me that you want that old croft to come and live with us. You don't have any manners. You see, you lose your respect for your mother because of a man. Because of a man. Is that what I taught you? This is how I teach you. You have no respect. You have no respect. You're running away. You're running away. Don't worry. I'll meet you at the house. Mommy no want me there with my man Jeremiah. I mean, not let him. Jeremiah!
Wonder if she a come. Babes, Ami. Where your mother there?
Me think.
Me leave her back there now, so where you go?
I go home.
Go where?
Me a go me yard. Me
Boy,
carry
me
your
care.
shirt. What is up? Your chest pretty.
Babes, you can't stay here, so.
Oh, you mean say me can't turn here,
Your mother
so?
come, me leave her over, so I come.
So you want to go over in the bush there, so?
No, you have to go home, go on home.
Me nah go home. Me want to spend some time. Me carry your shirt. You know. Me nah go home,
Fine.
baby. Yes.
Thank you, man.
Me take you out of your house when me hear mommy a bother you.
Boy, you get terrible now, you know. You get terrible. We
so
can't
many
meet up
times.
like this again.
Oh, you mean so we can't meet up like this? And when you pin up your clothes so far, your chest pretty.
No, come no, babes. Your mother come.
So make we walk at the shortcut the day, so now where we are. Stop going like you're an idiot, no
You know,
man.
your mother says she has called police for me.
So what, mommy? Me we know if we talk to mommy that mommy no call no police.
And you couldn't talk to her down her house. You know, see your woman a beat you. Me see you up there and see, you know.
Make we go over there so then in a shortcut. Cause me no know you so panic. You can't afraid for mommy. Me not afraid of mommy cause me not left you.
Come.
And that's why shortcut the figure me here. Cause me no know you go and suffer.
Can't sit down, you say, you know.
Yes. And that me I tell you so we can still spend
Wait. Now sit down next time.
Oh, and step on a tree thump. Me not pay mommy no mind, you know, Jeremiah. Me not pay mommy no mind.
Listen, my man. We can't stay here long, you know.
Alright, baby.
We can't stay here too long because we don't know how far she reach. And she expect you to come home.
You're too coward, you know. That me not like with you, you know. Me not like how you're coward.
You like them something here, you know.
What?
Why if your mother come now and see we are so?
Mommy not go come, mommy don't come look through bush for we. Mommy think me afraid and gone home, but me not afraid of mommy.
Your mother still, you know.
She can't turn. You don't know mommy miserable. Mommy said daddy left from me a baby, and because of that is like mommy want to throw her burden for me. After me never tell mommy say fi have me.
No, but your mother, you have to have respect for you, you know. She don't go on the best for you.
Yes,
You
but
understand?
baby, me no say no, but she want take me from have me man. Me free fi have me man. Me not left you for mommy. Me I tell her the truth, and you
But
can't left me.
you can't get me in a problem, you know.
Me no care if me want get in a problem. Me love you.
Listen me. Me care because of me I go to prison.
So if you go to prison, me no wait for you. What you afraid for? What you afraid for?
Me can't.
Relax yourself, baby.
You
You
can't.
don't go along, so no. You just look fredy. Me not like coward man, you know. Me not like panic man who love panic, you know. You must be a bad man to me, because I love bad man. Look at your face now. Tough up your face like you're a bad man. Where you go out? Where you look for? Where you
You
look
just
for?
don't like, you know,
Relax
like the
yourself,
idea.
man. Relax yourself, man. You there with me there. After me not afraid for nobody. You know see that? You're too coward, man. You say you're cute, you see? Ah, God. The little mommy give me hat, but me no care. If she want murder me, she not murder me. Or she have me. Me still not left you.
Me understand what she is saying, you know. She don't go on the best see you. Me know say probably she go through that when time she young same way, but I don't like say me I go harm you or hurt you. Me not hurt you.
Then me no know that. That mommy fi know. Me a pull out your ear. Cause me want see her in a one different hairstyle. Why you look so far? Me no like this sitting there, you know.
Me panic, man.
Why you panic for? Calm down yourself, no, I don't mean fear afraid. Cause when me go and maybe mommy beat me, but me no business if she want beat me. Anything she want do to me, me no care. Cause me not left you, you know. So I left you at about say, he not go work. He dey go work and me not left you. And that me dey tell you. So calm down yourself and talk like you not no sense. You just Freddy, look.
Me like your mother still, you know.
Me love too, but she can't rule me.
Me like her, man. Because I really understand, you know, because I see them so when my parents them was alive, I see them where they overprotected of me, you know, because they want the best for me. They always tell me, say, no get no girlfriend or nothing, must wait till me leave school and everything. And me a boy pick me, so imagine you.
Mommy too overprotected. You understand what me they say? Me no want nobody they look out for me, so tap look me no like this thing about you, you know. Tap galang son they look for mommy like you want me for afraid. Me not afraid of nobody.
But what if she go for police?
She not go for no police. Mommy a Christian, you know, you say I want the humble woman. I true me never come up. Next time me come down at your yard, me come early and left early. Before so, me not go to school, you know, and this come down at your yard.
Me not think so that is a good idea.
Jeremiah, me not like your behavior sometime, you know. We are going so for boss, man. Well, listen to me. All me have to tell you, say, you know, me not left you, you know. You can't left me because me not left you. So if mommy even want to try iron, me no care what mommy want to do. Me they go there with you same way. Stop that, no, boss. Look for me. What? Stop going, so no. Stop going, so calm down. You say, oh, you nervous, so?
No, I wish she said she a go deal with me. So me don't know if a police she a go for her or nothing.
She not go for the police. Me see she fling after you. She did lick you with any stone. Me you one big stone drop, you know.
You never catch me,
Make
man.
sure she not touch you. Cause anyhow she didn't make that stone to touch you. When me go home, you know, me have to say something to her fear, you know.
No, man, you have respect for your mother still, you know.
Me have respect, man, but me no want her to do you nothing. Cause you not no mother nor no father. So what she they go behave so far and a fling after you? What wrong with her? If she yes me down there, she not go along her yard till when me come back. She deal with me case up here. When she a run come down there, come put her hand for me for. Me no want her put her hand for me, you know.
What me I say, right? You feel say if me talk to her and explain things about you and tell her say me not
put your hand round me too. Love up me.
You think say if me explain and tell her say me not harm you and do not know out of the way, you feel say she will make me talk to you?
Me not know because she ever miserable. So it look like say me don't know how to tell you say because she just you don't know my mother. She ever miserable, but you have to give it a try. You just can't they go along and they run up. Look for me.
I really want to lose you still, you know.
The way how you go along, you look like you don't want me, you know. You look like I me they push up on you, you know.
No, I don't say that, BS, but your mother, she had the problem. You understand? She had the problem, you know. I love you, you know.
Then if you love me, why you not prove to me say you love me?
So what you want me do?
Go on like you're a bad man. And top they look all over the place like you look for mommy come. So what if mommy want come catch we? After me no care, me no say me no fi respect mommy and you no fi respect mommy. But you can't come go on like say you're soft soap.
No, no say soft soap. Me can't get in a problem. Remember,
well, come talk to her then. So, after me no business if me I want. After me and you under the first school picnic there. You see, look like me and you the first school. Everybody, you know, see everybody in a school have their man all bigger man than me. Then they win. And their parents now say, now you a little boy like me and mommy go on like say, she want to stop it to away. Stop the like you are idiot. If you want to talk to mommy, you come and me yard come talk to her.
So you feel say she not gonna do nothing if me come there?
Me not think so. Nothing beat a trial but a failure. How are you afraid pan? Me glad say you don't want to come here. So you never hear when me tell her, say, mommy, me want me man come live with me. You never hear?
Yes, me hear her and me say, but you come like you know I'm not saying.
What you mean by me
not
no
she beat you.
I thought me never care if she beat me.
I never want she lick you and it hurt me, you know, so she say, me can't do nothing to defend you, you know.
me used to the lick from mommy, man. That's how mommy behave, man. That's how mommy she behave, you know. Anytime me mess up, mommy lick me. But you me get so used to the lick, he come line on. Me say it to her. And if when me go home again and you want me say it to her, if you come live with me, me say it again to her, you know. You want me say it? Or you want to come look for her?
No, me don't want to talk to her.
But it's so like you become a man now, you know, Jeremiah.
Me love to her, man.
Don't worry yourself, you know. I'm here you don't dead forever, you know. Me I go marry to you and me I go have. How much picnic you want?
4.
After 4 you want, me want 5. That answer you we are talking about with future, you look on like you know no sense. A 5 picnic me want. Me want 3 girl and 2 boy.
Me love you, babes.
Then you make it look
you,
like
man.
I me love you more than how you love me. Because if me they take lick for you, what make you can't show me say you no care about police. If you got jail and know nothing that,
Me can't mean by me no must come out.
Oh, you mean say you no must come out?
But if them
Then
kill me in there, beat me
who
up
don't
in there,
kill you?
something, no man in there.
Me, we go down at the station, go tell them say, me and you not there and I lie, mommy I tell you, try set up.
So you don't really do that for me?
Oh, you mean if me wouldn't do that for you, I no love me, love you.
Thank
I
you.
love me.
Thank you.
Me want to come back down at your yard, you know, because me love down there pretty, you see. Yes, and you know what? Me want when me come down there, we cook. Because me did hungry, you know. Me did hungry.
The rain a fall, man. Me never put on nothing. And she come. Me wonder who would really tell her so we dey down there so.
No more some people
fast, you know.
that me they tell you so me not like you village people them, you know.
Them fast, man. Why them have to tell your mother that? To make your mother stress and everything.
Me I tell you, you know, see I here one pull out babes. Me not love this style, yeah. It gets stale. What you look for? Go along, so are you ready?
Yeah, man, me ready.
Me don't come down your yard tomorrow come pull out here, cause when me see you again, me no want you in the same hairstyle. Me want you look hot for me, yeah.
Yeah, thanks. Come make we go now.
Alright.
Come.
Wait now, let me put in back my pen in my bag. And you have to give me one kiss first before me go. Because me not like how you turn in, you go like you're shy. You're shy, man. Yeah, I know you can't look me, so when you go like I say, you know want to kiss me and do the same thing. Like you're afraid to kiss me. Tag along, so no. Me don't want no kiss for no joy, no, because that you love do like you're a coward. Me want kiss for a mouth to like everybody else.
No, babes, we not reach that stage there yet. Me love you, you know, we can wait, babes.
Me no want wait, everybody they do it, so what make me can't do it?
Me love you too much to do that. Me could just wait. You understand? Me could wait. Me not rush nothing. Me love you, so me wait. Because of you, me want to spend the rest of my life with.
I hope so, you know, because you look like say you will left me because of mommy.
No, me not left you. We not have to rush into certain little things. You understand? We not have to rush. Just make we take it slow. You understand?
That's all you say.
Come, man. Come.
Me no love that there lily kiss there, you know.
Come.
Me no love that there lily kiss there. Petra thinks she's going to bring a baby. A baby in my house. A baby where? Eh? She thinks she's going to bring it in my house. She make a sad mistake. Eh? And look at the man that she want to go and get a baby with. Look at the man. Eh? He's so ugly. Look at the ugly place that man live. That girl have no ambition. Eh? My mother stand up on me even though I get pregnant at an early age. My mother stand up on me. Get it up. Eh? Eh? This girl is getting on my nerve.
Yes, no, follow you gonna further, you know.
What make you not follow me gonna
further? Me a go home back.
To me, I did that so.
Yes, me follow you come too far too. So why if she dey come back up in a way?
So what's wrong with that?
Me a go home back, you know.
So where you go? You not give me one kiss before you leave. Me love you, yeah?
Later.
You remember say you don't married to me?
Yes. So we not.
And we dey go have 5 pitney.
Yeah.
Cause you're we love you. We love you, you see?
Babe, we can't stay with you.
Alright. We love you, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Jeremiah say him go marry to me and give me 5 pitney. Me say me love him, you see? She's getting out of hand. Petra is getting out of hand. Can you imagine I didn't grow this girl like this and she's come and saying to me that she wants her man to come and live with us? What is wrong with these young people? They lose their respect for their parents. Huh? Hey. Petra! What was she a call me for? Me no want her to call me, you know. Petra! You think you're a woman, oh? Open the door and don't let me and you have anything, oh? Yes, mommy! coming from? Petra, you think you're a woman, oh? Open the door and don't let me and you have anything, oh. Welcome, mommy. You're talking about welcome. You're talking about welcome. You're talking about welcome. Get up out of the bed. I said to get up. Damn drama, son, no woman. I said to get up off the bed. I said to get up off the bed. Oh, so you become a woman. You become a woman. That you are leaving school to go to a man's house. This is how I train you. This is how I train you. You put me to shame. You put me to shame. So when all the villagers talking about you, I can't defend you. You think I'm going to be like other mothers? You think I'm going to be like other mothers? That trace the villagers. Hey! You are a disgrace! You are a disgrace to me! You know that? Mommy, me sorry. Forgive me. I can't believe you're opening that big hole in your face. Arguing with your mother. Arguing with your mother over a man. Hey! Mommy, why you not love Jeremiah? You know something. I will deal with you. I am going to deal with you and I'm going to deal with Jeremiah as well. You hear me? I'm not going to stay here and argue with you. Now I see the kind of woman you're turning out to be from an early age. I'm not arguing with you. Oh. There is many ways to hang a dog more than to put a rope around the neck. You hear what I'm saying? Break up your fallow ground. Do you hear me, young girl? I said to break up your fallow ground. Else, you won't have far to reach in this place. You hear me? Very soon, if this is your condition, you will have to take your little piece of rags and go through the door. Do you hear me? Because I will not tolerate you in my house trying to beat me off. So you know what? I'm going to have a bath and go to my bed. Look at your face. Look at your face arguing with your mother. You are ugly like your father. I guess you get this rudeness from your father. Because you could have never get it from me, Madam Josiah. Go and respect yourself, oh! I don't get it from about my father. Go you fi go and go bed and love me. Lucky. As you gone tomorrow morning, mommy, me they go look for my man. Look for you after never me tell you say fi go have me. I know you have me, you want look like you want come batter bruise me because you know want me have my man. After when you have for your man, nobody never say nothing. They all you don't get me if you never have a man. So when you come bother me for? You don't gonna like me alone have man. You don't see every pitney a man. So long me make me have for me man too. Look at my nice daughter. Hi. What could have changed my beautiful daughter? She was growing so well. Oh, Jesus. Oh. Oh, Lord. Our Father in heaven. Tonight I give you thanks, oh, for everything that you have done. Lord God, I really need your direction, oh. God, I need your direction with my daughter, Petra. God, you see, she have changed so rapidly, you know, so fast. Oh, I can't even talk to her. I remember I used to send her to Sunday school, oh, and now my daughter is giving me a hard time. Lord, I pray that you may help me to direct her. Please, Lord, give her an understanding heart. Help her to realize that I am not here to offend her, but I just want her to turn out right. I thank you, Lord, for your hearing my cry. Thank you for deliverance. Remember me as I go tomorrow on my journey to work. Oh, that day's work, Lord. You know, I thank you so much for it. I pray for protection and guidance as I go. Lord, cover my daughter and myself under your blood. I beg you, oh, in Jesus' name. Amen.
When I hear these beats playing, it takes my mind to a place where I find peace and joy.
How did I sleep so late? Petra! Petra! She's fast asleep. Petra? Oh dear. I'll just leave her. I feel so tired. Alright, let me just get ready for work. I don't know how I sleep so late this morning, oh. Normally I would get up before the alarm, but like I'm tired. She thinks me asleep. She must have think me they sleep. What she a call me for? Me don't want her to call me, no. She come me case and galang where she dey go and left me alone. What she try wake me up for? Me wait a long time. I want her to come galang so me can come get to good on my man Jeremiah. Yes, man. Hello, Inspector. How are you? It's me, Madam Josiah calling you. I'm doing okay, but I am having a problem. I'm having a big problem, oh. My daughter is giving me a warm time. She's giving me a warm time, oh. You know that fellow that named Jeremiah, where his mother and father died in the car accident, oh. The one that lived beside Miss Taylor. Yes, that same young man I'm talking, oh. You know that I couldn't find my daughter yesterday, oh. Hey! I couldn't find her, and in the evening, way up in the evening, oh, I go and search for him. And when I go and search for her, you know that she was done by Jeremiah's house. I don't know what they were doing in there. So I want you to do something for me, oh. I want you to go and check out Jeremiah, because I can't tolerate this, oh. And I'm talking to my daughter, and she's been rude to me. She's been very rude. I'm going to work today, oh, and I don't trust that little girl, because she's very ripe, and I'm not going to pretend like everything is okay. It's not okay, oh. Okay. Thank you, oh. We'll talk if anything. I'm going to get ready to go to work, my day's work. Okay, I am so grateful, my friend. You know, I am so glad for you. I'm so happy that we were friends in school, you know. Hey, my daughter just want to give me a hard time because her father left, you know? Okay. Alright, thank you. Thank you, Copper. Copper. Hey. Alright, oh. My friend. I can rely on him anytime, oh. Petra. That lazy girl. She don't even get up and it's morning. Look at her. You know what? I'm not even wasting my precious time on her. She better make sure she tidy up the place before I get back from work. Lazy brat. Yes, man. Galang, you fi galang. Long time me there, they wait for a man to see you get up and go ready and come out of the yard. Yes, man, they can't get me do what I want to do. That lazy girl. Look on the state of the yard. Huh? Look there. It wants to rake. And she find time to go to a man house and don't see that the place must be raked. If I ever come back from work and she don't rake up the place, she will see what will happen in here. Thank you, Lord. You're so good to me, Daddy. It's gonna be a beautiful day today. Yes, man. Galang, she fi galang, you know. Look for when the woman is chopping at the place and no one galang where she a go. And me get up from morning and want her fi galang, you know. So me can get fi good on a Jeremiah. Cause Jeremiah down there must school, you know. I must wonder when me they do so long. Mommy, you never do a better thing more than God. Watch her now. Watch her now. Watch her now. Look on her now. She go on like she a one hot you see. Alright, mommy, I feel me time now for live.
A few moments later.
Me say, me they go look for me man Jeremiah, you know. Mommy gone do one day's work. So me sneaking out of the house. If you go down there, go look for him. More mommy want contact me from there with me man. And me and me man love you one another. Me don't know why she not just left we alone. Make we do what we want to do. No, me have to sneaking out of the house. So we can't wait to see me now. They take off me clothes from here, so. They all nosy neighbor them because I don't want to tell mommy say me gone naked on the road. They think me an idiot. Me know if you wear one sweater. Me say me can't wait for Jeremiah see how hot and sexy me is. The neighbor them think me an idiot. They want me to come dress up like me, holy like mommy. Mommy done holy already because they don't do them days. Me a young girl, I what they expect. Catch me money hard finally. Jeremiah. He must have in there, they sleep. He must have come too early. Jeremiah.
Who that, man?
What you mean by who that?
Who?
How they don't want to talk about who that? You know must know who out if they come to you. What kind of question that they go ask about who that? Me there.
Glad to see you, man. Well, Andy, where your mother there?
My mother gonna walk. She gonna her days walk today. Yes.
So nobody no see you come?
Nobody no see me. So knows the neighbor but me hear them over there. Yeah, nobody know. Me don't know.
You sure they no see you through the window?
They don't see me. Me say me hear them up. They want me.
Thanks it come, man.
you know, say I come fi wash your hair though.
Eh?
Yes. So what happened?
But there, man.
So you no
Come
kiss
in.
me. You no kiss me, you there galang so.
Come inside, man. Come in.
So what they galang?
But there, man.
Put on your shirt, come in and want you catch no cold when me they wash your hair.
Alright. Make sure so nobody not see you when you come.
Nobody worry about that, man. I hear them over there, yeah, they chat.
Oh.
Me say me glad me come down here see me say your bed look nice, eh?
Last night was boring last night.
But
You know?
you almost boring. Me can't wait for tea for you come down and go sleep with you.
Boy, I can't wait for that day there. The bath here for wash your clothes.
Alright, come.
Give me a bag, man, put it down inside.
Yeah, me have sitting.
At this, me have to wash my ear now.
What you have to wash your hair? Blue soap.
Yeah, me not have no shampoo,
You will
baby.
spoil up your good hair. You can't
Come
use
on,
that.
this can't use
No,
it.
wait there. Me have so sitting in the bag for you.
Eh?
Yes. I true me love you, you know. Me love you bad. You have comb, me can't comb for you.
No, me not have no comb.
And me can't roll on for you, you know.
Oh.
You did well while roll on, not true?
Yeah. You didn't smell me? Eh?
Smell lily bit.
Eh? So you never tell me.
Me can't me love you too, but me no want hurt your feelings.
So I'm for the put back the
Put back in blue so, but me can't this for you, me can't baby powder. I'm why you smell like baby.
smell nice.
And me can't mouthwash for you.
Wow.
Yes.
Thank you, man. That's why me have to love you, sir.
Me will tell you, me can't
Hold on there.
me can't lotion too.
But your mother now go miss them something.
So what, me mommy missy? Mommy no
know
must
why you're getting on a problem.
don't worry about me, man. Me tell you, say me alright, man. Me can manage mommy, man. Me can so more sitting in a bag for you, you know. Me can shampoo and conditioner.
Jesus Christ, you know how long me no use none of them in
And
my
guess
head.
what? Me can this have to dry out your ear. Cause me no want you use the rough rag for your head.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. The water, the round you say, you know. Me could hurry up and do it.
You're not even saying nothing about how me look. You know, she say me dress good for you
Yeah,
and
man,
nice.
know.
If mommy ever did, she say
But
me dress
when
so come down
if-
here, you know.
Nobody no see you just when you come.
No, because me did wear this sweater over it.
Oh.
So me know say mommy want me dress like all woman, but me say me have to dress sexy for me man, not true?
Thank you. Boy, me I tell you.
How what?
Pretty, you know, man.
Me no know say me pretty like make you love me. Me no know
Pretty,
say
man.
I saw you fi make me feel like me a
Glad
woman.
say you come, you know.
You they go on like me a pick me, you they treat me like.
Put on your bag.
Put on me bag, man. And tap go on like me a pick me. I saw
No one really say that, you know. Just your mother, I'm afraid, you know.
Don't worry yourself, man. Look for your face no, man.
I run and say water,
I
please.
say you look good when you wake up.
I put on my phone and come back. Because I don't want it wet up, yeah?
Alright, baby. Go along and come back. Hey. Mr. Dung, you're so just nice, brother. Quiet and nice. The man go and put on my phone. Why he look different and look happy? Why I saw me want me and him living up. Me turn down here and the two of we get up a morning time. Do what we they do. And then lock up back in our house. Okay.
You take up the water already?
Yes, me baby.
So you never make me take it up?
That's alright, man. No worry
You
yourself.
know why you strain yourself,
You know, say like me and neighbor over there, so we have to hurry up and do what we they do, and then we go up and go somewhere in a bush, go go spend the day. What you think?
You know, say look like other house, say them a work and do.
Yes, baby. So guess me what? Make we hurry up and do what we they do, so we can go along where we they go. Yeah.
Hurry up.
Yes. You afraid that you're here?
No.
Okay.
You're the man and knock all hammer the over
Nobody
there.
pay them no mind, man. Come, man, come. No pay them no mind. Me not afraid. Relax yourself, man. Just relax yourself.
Go up them now go tell nobody say
Nobody
them see
not
we over
tell.
here, you know.
Nobody fret man, no fret man. It a go in your eye.
No.
Nobody fret man. No worry yourself, no worry yourself man. Tell me if you feel like it a burn you, you know. You hear?
Yeah. Nah burn me.
Bend down your ear, bend down your ear. Oh, they know this somebody they fast all the way my walk, you know, in the fast over here, you know. Nobody worry yourself, you're there at your yard and you still they worry about what people will do.
Yeah, but you know they nosy already. Me call your mother, you know. Watch him but him a look over here. Me tell you say they I be watch them and watch, you know.
After me no shame for one you, you know. Me one you. If you love you too, you see.
Hurry up and wash me and me
Alright,
could go out the road.
Alright, me don't just rinse out here, yeah?
Yeah.
Me just give you one quickie wash then. Fast.
I mean I know where they come this with them bag and knives again for. Sure. You know say look like a them call your mother the last time.
He
I
look
remember
so.
so with the past them a work, you know.
Yeah, it looks so. Don't worry yourself, my baby. Don't worry yourself. We soon be together, yeah? Come, hold on
I
here.
can't wait.
Hold on here. Me hurry up. How we do when we done with this? We just go somewhere, go spend some time together where we know nobody go walk, yeah?
Oh, true.
And the people are nosy in the village, you see, man.
We can't wait till we get big so we can left yourself.
Me I tell you,
And now if you see them nosy neighbor there.
you want we run way together?
And that we do. Running from yourself, man.
Yes.
We can't have no privacy.
Not all.
Why then choose to come now, come work? When time they see two away. All the while they now work as they see we out here so they come out and start lick a man at work.
And me say me want to comb your hair, but you look like me have to go comb me in the bush. What you think? In the bush me have to go comb your hair?
Yeah, because we could leave because you don't know say them nosy and we call your mother, you know. Because we don't know who called your mother the last time, you know. Hear that. Watch him and look over here.
Stop look over my man yard.
Come, hurry up and do.
Me have to tell them man, sure. No, sure. Look pa uno too. And uno no love see me and my man live good. And that a problem.
Jealous, you know.
Me I tell you. True they know say me, you know say maybe I'll scoop and see say me come down here. You see them come and like then they knock sitting. Fi go tell me mother.
None of them no try to look you nor nothing do.
Look who? I tell me no want them. Go and ugly to a look down here. No pay no buy there me baby. Me love wash your hair, you see, because your hair soft and nice. You see how the shampoo and conditioner make your hair look at that man.
The soap, when me use the soap, it have beer grease, left beer grease in my ear.
Because that they not feel wash your hair, me baby. That not feel wash your hair, you know.
So me really can't afford them something.
Me know, baby. Well, we can't really afford it, but if me have to teach it from mommy video, me will do it, yeah?
Thank you, yeah?
Yes, come in was say when you work and when you get big and when you have anything, you don't give it back. So me can give back to mommy. Boy, me I tell her say me love you. You're just so nice and you're motherless and fatherless. Me will take care of you, yeah?
Thank you, my baby.
Nobody no want you, but me want you, yeah? No diss me, you know? No diss me, you know?
No, do that, baby.
I saw you go along to, you know, you're not talking every minute when me talk.
Thanks to wash me ear, yeah? Thank you, yeah?
You're welcome. I saw me want you go on with me, you know. Me want you go on like you love me and you will love me.
Thanks to wash me ear.
A little loving me come down here for you know.
Come hurry up and go here.
So tell her what we do.
Alright, pack up the something them. Me have a lock up.
Yes, put this them here inside. You can't let them here out the door. You can't let them here. You all know the same thing. The next thing they come down here come kill them. Put this in.
Stay back here.
You can't the comb.
Wait there.
Take up the comb aside in the bag. Hurry up. Hurry up. Cook them too. Cook them. They can't watch people. Mama must have a PO no. Hurry up here, my man.
Come. I'm jealous, so not jealous how we love.
Where
No,
you
no,
going?
You little bad girl, Petra, from morning, you know say you're bad.
Left me alone, no man.
Lift it up, go on, some man.
Oh, me tell me
man
go
for.
When you say walk up and down pan road, hug up.
You know, say you tell mommy say me have man, me nah left me
Your
man.
mother hear that for a long time.
Left me
Come on, to
alone.
go on, yeah.
When you stop it,
So
man.
me I tell you. I tell your mother one bag of life
You
and we.
talk about me if you stop it. You know, say bad mind ain't bad mind
You
way.
stop it.
Come.
You're young.
Say them fast in a village, you see, man.
That's why me no like them, you know. You know, see, say the boy, go talk about say me underage.
Me hear him say.
You know, say me feel say that one day go tell mommy say me and you they do.
Right here now, you know. You feel so must still go over the bush.
Oh, you mean if you feel still go over the bush? And what you dey chat about then me have to go over there go come here hearing and me
But they
want
see we ain't know, say they go call your mother. Me
but they
know.
don't know where we they go. Why you dey fret for every minute you dey say fret yourself. I tell me no care what will happen. Anything they want do, they not do. Me just don't want me and you feel left. You can't promise me say the two are we not left.
I promise you.
Give me a key. Bad man.
I wish part run after them saying live.
You know what, I don't know where that boy, the Jeremiah live do.
You feel saying on that old building, yeah? Where the man out the road say him live?
But me no hear say our whole place him live like a whole shack man. So me no think say
Well,
the
no,
boy
that's
could
the
never. The boy could have never ever live in a building, man. What you talk about?
I inspector say him I go call back and all, know him no call back.
Inspector.
Anything we do the boy today, you know, I know why you give him no information how we do, you know.
No worry yourself.
Because we
bossy.
ever broke him up when we catch him
What
today,
you
you know.
mean? I be looking at me and him face, you know, because that boy they won't hear, you know, man.
'Cause every time we go out on road, the inspector him always want to know what we do and what we not do. Look if I inspector that I call you. I am?
Yeah.
Me talk to him. Yes, inspector. Where you say dead or alive, we must bring him in? Alright, inspector. Yeah, man, I'm young corporal there. Yeah, man, me know say your friend, man. Me know say Josiah your friend. Alright, inspector. When time we find him, we make you know. Alright. Inspector say you must make him smell the clothes. Give me.
Alright.
Give me a
But
clue.
you look like Inspector turn bad boy, you know. Why him say if
He
you
said
do
dead
carry-
or alive, I'm friend.
Ah, what you
Smell
say?
this.
What you say? Alright.
Fine her.
My God.
Fine her.
Taking it easy, you know.
Look like over there same live in a corporal. See how
Yeah.
shot them man.
Yeah.
Over
But
there
it's
same
not-
live, you know.
That a dirty place. Josiah daughter come down, come eat.
Come
up
on,
with
go
that
over
boy.
there.
I can't have a dirty place there. So so we dey go sit down.
Can't stay right, you say, you know.
So alright, you sit down and then make me come here and then me sit down after. Yeah.
Yeah. See, you call me. I just say, you know.
Good
Yes,
dog
then there,
lion.
no.
Good dog lion.
It's time. Circle the place. Back up the place. Back up the place.
Hot him up.
Jeremiah, come out.
Come on.
Come on.
Anyway, I tell we are going to go.
Them not there, you know.
Anyway, I tell we are dig out today.
Them not there. Them not there.
Oh,
Them not there.
boy gone.
Look like them just gone, you know. See it there?
Okay, you know.
Look like them will do some washing off yes too, you know.
Yeah, it's a soap. Why escape the judgment?
Come like we too late, man.
No. Then look all over when the girl come man and say, girl, what this stuff?
See all them clothes there in there, you know.
What will you say?
Them clothes there in there, man.
But I want this girl, man. Look where the girl come each up, man. Because if Inspector rate him mother so much, they must want these 10 to ban. Why me tell about them little girl and some
All you so wet up to, you know. Look like them that do some farmer washing here, you know.
Nasty girl, man. You see them shit, I'm glad say we just come when them gone, you know.
Yo, come, we still can catch them, you know. Come,
right.
come and go see if we can catch them.
Yeah. Yo, I ask them peace be on my youth.
Ask them.
Yo, I want to know if you want little girl. Pass you with one boy.
Yeah, man, just pass out. Just pass out. Tight and gone.
How long ago now them pass here?
How much long? You just gone around the corner. They up and a kiss.
How you say? Kiss?
What the hell you
Yeah, man. And then the little girl under here, you know.
How you say? Come, corporal. Come, corporal.
Alright, just left the number, give me, man.
Alright, tell you what, we are going to pass that, here. We just want to catch them.
Alright.
Me say them a try hard for the 2 hours we left in me husband.
Me get fed up, you know. Me can't every minute me a fear hide.
So that for sure you say we love what meant to be. Why you go along so far? So what you want to do? You want to be allowed for me?
No, me never say that, but it does make me get stressed. Me just a stress out over it. Every minute when time me and you walk, me a fear look over my shoulder if anybody a see we. Cause me no want no police to come lock me up, you know.
No worry yourself, man. No police now go involved. Me will try my best say, you know, police no involved. But me just can't take a villagers them, brother. We just get pant up on me last nerve too.
Cause the man a talk say you underage. And me underage too. So me no understand. Me and you are the same age.
So why him a say that for?
Me
Why him
no
a
know.
say them sitting there for?
Me no know.
Why no go mind in one business?
Cause when you wash me ear, me see him a look over there every minute, you know. So me know say from them time then good I call your mother, you know. And you know if your mother here, your mother go get upset and want come on me yard again.
I hope she no go down there, you know. I hope nobody no guy your yard. Cause if they ever guy your yard, you sue me and her don't have. Cause me no know why she no keep her cool and behave herself.
Right now, me I tell you, me no feel so good. Me no feel good.
Me understand me boyfriend, but no worry yourself. Very soon if they can't take me and you as boyfriend, then when we married how they go.
Me no know, you know. Cause me have a whole heap of plans see two away, you know.
What kind of plans you have for me man?
More me travel, I'll go England, you know. More me.
How you a tell?
Yes, more me you tour the world.
I saw me want to hear you talk to me, man.
More buy all car gear and something and make you and your mother comfortable. Yeah.
Oh God. And mommy would want to help you, see, so me don't know what mommy wants to stop
them
me.
Big dream them want, you know, for you, you know.
Oh boy.
We don't have a nice house already and me no have nothing. But me still will have build another house for her so she can comfortable.
Oh God.
And take her out of poverty same way.
That's why me not left you, because me know say you have good intention in you. You are one goodly man, you know.
But me just want to sit down with her and talk to her, but she not give me the chance.
Me don't know what's wrong with
Every
mommy.
time she see me, she a discriminate me about.
Oh God.
But me worthless and me not come to nothing and she not get to know me good and know the intention in my heart.
Oh God.
She just see me and just judge me and put me down.
Oh God. You know say she make me feel bad when she do them sitting there. Mommy coming like some jumping jack. Everything she hear, she just jump up on me. I jump and I trample me. But she should have know better than that. Say me not give up on you. You understand what me they say? Why she always do this sitting and I put you down? And you is such a nice little boy. Look how you handsome and look good. You don't have nobody, and mommy should understand. So when daddy run we left me and she one did it. She went so stressed. Much less you alone by yourself. Why she do this sitting there to you, me man?
No, you know. Because sometimes I even have no dinner, me have to just bear it. You understand? If me have somebody where me could have even come to and beg little food, me da even feel good. But me afraid to come to your yard to ask her because I know say she not going to give me who to tell. Probably she could all want poison me too, babes.
Me man, if you're hungry, you come on me yard. You be poison. Me will give you some of me dinner make it 2 hours near me.
But me can't come in the yard. Me can't come in the yard, you know.
Then me not tell us if you find a way to see if you want to come chat to her. You know come chat to her, I'm not afraid of her. Because me know you love me, you know.
I'm afraid. Why she fling stone and bust me head?
Fling what?
You know, see Stone nearly lick me where she fling on
Tell
big
her.
old rock she fling, you know.
Listen to me, man. If mommy ever fling no more stone after you, fling one after you. You think that she can't do that sitting there make me see again? Me want to tolerate it. Me don't like people do that sitting there to you, you know me, man. Look how they make you sad. Me don't like people make you sad, man.
When you say a while ago, man, it hurt me, you understand? It hurt me. I want to know say, if I saw one time people have true love, I saw people fight against it.
And that they do all the time. You know, see when you watch love show, people love them one another, I saw them fight against them. But look here, you can't make nobody tap it to away. A chang we love two chang, so then can't contain it. But that no matter to me. We will not go left, you know. And God put we together, you know. You don't know that, maybe, baby.
Not true.
So no man can put asunder. The Bible says, what God put together, let no man put asunder. So you don't believe the Bible?
Yeah, I believe in the Bible.
Look how them a try.
Bible night time too,
You read the Bible? Oh God, me hobby. That's why
I
me
read the
love
Bible,
you.
man. Because from me growing up, me know say me is like a tree that planted against the rivers of water, you know. And me know me gonna bring forth fruit for you and your mother, you know.
Oh, you mean,
but
I
she
me
not give me
believe
the
it.
chance.
Oh God.
She just a fight against me.
We just love what you this say. You say from you're young, you know, say you are the tree were planted by the rivers of water. You don't bring forth fruit for me and mommy.
What you mean no one take note of poverty?
Thanks me, man.
And them big dream them me have fear, you know.
Me know,
And
me
them
know.
big dream them me have fear.
That's
But you
why
just
me
don't
love
want to sit down to hear my side.
But if you
understand?
feel like you want to come talk to her, you know, come chat to her, you know, feel free. Nobody can broke up with you, know me, man. Nobody can broke up with.
A truth, if the two of we stand up on our foot, nobody at all can
Nobody
come against the
at
two of we, you know.
Look here, and me and you they together, so all people fi come mash up with no matter what they say, and no matter what they do, anything they want do, we not go work.
A
So
truth.
listen to
And
me.
just the two of we alone
And the two of we can
with
mash up with one another.
A truth.
So that you fi believe.
Thank you for that, man. Only the two of we alone can stop that.
Yes.
Right?
So me no business what nobody want try. Anything they want try, make them try because we not left with one another. Not true.
I'm not going to brave up, you know. I'm going to brave up.
And that's what you do.
Me just not going to care about people again, you know. Me not going to care about nobody again,
And that
you know.
me want you feel.
Because I see where they're up to, you know.
Yes. Then they try hard to mash up with. And even if they try hard, me, Petra not left you.
But when me I say, me no business with for them relationship. And
me
they
say-
want come in our relationship. Why? They up and down and do anything they want to do.
Anything me and you do a problem.
A problem to them. Why?
I do one.
For them business no concern me. We have about to business and him just come out and attack me. For him business, me no business with that.
We coming like a show, like we are movie star. Everybody they watch.
Just a watch
You
you
don't see
everywhere we
that?
turn. You can see, you can feel the eye them. Already now sit right here now with there so me can know say somebody
Somebody
are
a
watching
watch
my
me.
bush.
Yeah, but they watch me and you know.
Sure.
But look here, what me want them to know, you know, me man. Me no care what they want do, you know. Me nah left you. Me no care what they want try. Me nah left you. Me no care what they want say. Me nah left you. What you say about that?
Me nah left you neither. Me no have nobody else run me. You understand?
You have
And you
me.
are only company me have right here now.
You will always have me, baby. No matter what you see me and you have, no worry yourself. I will always be here for you. You hear me?
Yeah.
So no pay nobody no mind. Yeah.
Me no business with nobody again. I
Yes.
just you alone my focus depend. Me
And
no
I-
business with people. You understand? Me
Yes.
get brave from today.
And that
Anytime
you
we
do.
left you so,
Yes.
me get brave. Not even police me not afraid again.
Me I tell you, say you don't feel
Me not afraid of nobody man because me say they want to mash you up and then now get the chance to do that.
Get what? So why you that
Before
means
so they make me get terrible and me just start do things and no care, you know.
that them
Just to
go
protect
forward.
you, you know.
Oh, you mean I mean we do things to protect you. You think say me I go make police or anybody come in for me and your relationship. Look here, a full time for we get brave. Go from when we dey everybody a try mash you up and then can't mash you. So we just we get brave pan them baby. You know see that?
A truth man, if we stand up our foot man.
Yeah, after we don't care what they want do or what they want say me man. You know, say, although me there, me hungry, you know, man.
You hungry?
Me feel hungry, man. Hungry a kill me, but you see, because me love you, me will bear the hungry with you.
No, me no want you beer not hungry.
So where you want we go look some fruit in the bush?
No, you stay right there. So me I just run go to the shop and come back. I buy something for you, yeah?
Where you dey go buy? You dey go buy one biscuit or one bula for me?
Yeah, me buy one biscuit and one drink here.
That's why me love you, you know.
Me
You
soon
know,
come back.
you know, if you buy no drinks, you know, come in, know, say you know have the money. If your money can't buy biscuit alone, you buy biscuit or buy bula. You hear me?
Alright.
Because me no want stress you out, you know.
Alright, no man, me buy the drinks and the biscuit for you. Or bula, any one of them me get at the shop.
Alright, me man.
Me so
And when you say you know be me husband
yeah, and we are get picnic together.
and get one for picnic together.
A 4 me want
and a
say you
5 me want.
Alright, me soon come back,
True
yeah?
love never die.
die. Me
And what
soon
you say about that?
Just stay right there, so make sure you're not gonna where I go home left me, you know.
Me not hold me if you do that. You know, sister, me not let you go away. Then everybody not see. That's why they want to mash me up.
Alright, me soon
Now we
come.
do everything
Me soon
together.
come, yeah?
Alright,
Me soon
me
come back.
man. Oh God, me say me love me man. You see, I me no know what make every minute people see we a problem to people. The two of we love one another. They don't love we out, man. Good God, man. You can't imagine. We turn to the east a problem. We turn to the west a problem. We turn to the north a problem. We turn to the south a problem. And we not see none of them. Watch out, me man. You come.
Yeah man, me come back,
And
man.
how you come back so quick?
One heap of people they down there say look for me,
So
man.
what if they look for you? You afraid of them?
I not really say afraid, you know, but me just don't want to go to shop.
So you want me if you go along and come back?
You not go feel no way if you go out there.
What I mean afraid of them? You know, sister, me eye dry. Me not afraid of nobody.
Me give you money, you just.
Give me. Make me go along. Make they say nothing to me and you will see something. Alright, me man. Me
Alright, go
soon
and go
come.
buy it and come back.
So you don't make me this go along
No,
and shop
man.
so. You know, say me not like when you chops me, so you know.
Just easy yourself, no, man.
Me love when you kiss me and kiss me properly. Me love you, you see. You know, say me love you, not true?
Yeah.
You know, say I don't pretend, me they pretend.
Make sure nobody stay out there too late, you know.
Me not turn too
And
long.
stay long.
Me not turn too long,
Alright, go on
man.
and come back.
Me can't wait to spend the time with you know.
Come man, you can't go out there look so.
What you mean me can't go out there?
Go out yourself, man. You can't go out there look so.
You know what me show me back
No,
to
no,
nobody.
why you go out there and was a be a man out there. So come
So
out
what
yourself,
me?
man.
And that's why me love you, so you know.
You can't go out the road look
You
so.
know why nobody see me body, cause me body look too good.
Yes, I'm alone to see.
And so me love when you make me feel like me a woman and me wanted by you, you know. You know?
Yeah.
Yes, and so you feel act with me. So you are leaping up down there so too. Yeah. I don't know wrong if they see me belly in a clothes.
No, you need to button up the whole of your clothes, but they're not easy.
Me say you are one piece of man where me then know say me couldn't find one man good, so you know.
The whole of you me a button up.
You are the first and the last man for me, you know that?
Yeah.
Me man. And they want tap we. They no sister, they can't tap we.
So.
Maka de pa me clothes and hands. Me no care what they pa me. You see from as long as me there where you there, I am good to go, my man. Thank you, baby.
Go on and come
I
back.
soon come back. Watch out.
Mine a drop, you know.
Me I tell you. Me say me no like village people them, me no man. Because me man when they go shop and just because of the old village people them me have to turn back and send me. Me can't bother with them, you know. It look like all the people them do a sit down for come pray for me and name. And then I feel like the whole of them they tell power we, you know. Serve! Serve! Me don't like them, you know.
Yes,
Me want, how much for bag juice?
$20.
You want bag juice?
Yes.
Can't two come give me, ma. Don't like them your people, you know. Me can't in no peace.
You're not going to school?
Me no feel good. No, me not go to school.
I get ready for go to school.
Then you no go along if you want. Me no feel good. Me feel sick.
What do you?
Me feel like me dey catch flu. So me nah bother go nowhere.
All of a sudden, sir?
So what? People can't just get up and sick. After me never make myself feel sick.
Me not say no.
You take along like people. You never sick yet.
Yeah? So what?
Listen to me. Mind your own business. Cause to me you they coming like the villagers them you know.
But I am tell all you want to run back a man every minute.
So what if me run back a man? Everybody know they run back a man.
Education come first.
Which education come first?
Education come before man.
We want no left me alone. So what me if me have one little boyfriend?
You not ready for that yet?
Oh you mean say me not ready for it?
You know what man bring?
What man bring?
Disease and baby.
Which man bring disease? Me man no have no disease.
You're not sure?
Well, no left me alone in the village, man. Me can't walk in a peace. Eh?
Carry on.
Leave me alone, girl. If you want gas, I feel sick. Me not feel like me want.
Alright, one.
The one of them coming like they want come tumble down for me. Me look like me a whole house. They want come tumble down for me. For me one man. After me no see them, me and me man no see them. And then just dip on me and me man back. You know say Jeremiah have a right to no come out here. Cause maybe you not put yourself in a trouble. Tired of them villager here, you know. He say me love me man, you see. Me man write one song for me and me love it, you know. I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home. Mr. Me man love me, you know, and he write his song for me and me love him for that.
Petra, she a come. But you get bag juice with it too.
Yes, my baby.
Yes, the money could have buy it.
Yes, the money could have buy 2 bag juice and 1 biscuit.
Eh?
Me I tell you, baby, you remember this song where you did write for me? I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not. You remember? You know some well lobby.
Yeah.
Yes. Glad for you, you know? How your bag juice taste?
It's alright, you know. The one the burst, man.
It burst, but it's nice, you know?
Take my own, you can't
No, me will drink some of it, man. Oh. No, man, me taste it.
You taste the flavor there?
Nice, man.
Mm.
You love it? Wipe off your hand, prop. Wipe in on my clothes. Wipe off your hand in on my clothes. Yeah. Me want your bite piece of me biscuit.
Nice, man. So you feel? You feel a little better now?
For me, the gas stop for me now, so me all get things feel better. Come here, taste the worm them when I twist up me typing.
Oh, God.
That's what I think, sir. That's when you're in love, so then something they happen to you sometime, you know.
A good thing to me work with money.
A good thing say you have money.
Come, Lion, come. Hold on. Corporal, come.
What you see? And what you
See the boy over there, so the girl, you know. See them over there, Sanyam.
My God, watch them now. Watch them now.
We can't go over there, you know, because Lion are going to make nice, so we have to go tie Lion here, so.
Alright, hurry up and tie Lion.
Hold me gun.
We have to go call Spec, you know. To make him know so we find
Come on, now. Come on, now, Corporal, and look. You keep them a gun away.
We have to go call Spec, make him know, say. Them sit down here, so. Watch them too, no?
What them a do?
You know, see them a kiss and a go on like say them all in love like that. I eat and I laugh and chat. What you think we should have done, you know?
Yo.
Because we just don't want to rush on pan them like that, you know?
Here we go on now.
Yeah.
You go creep. Go that side there, you understand? Back up that side there, and you go back up that side there.
Alright.
You understand?
Yeah, man.
So anyone of them a try to run, if them a try to run go that side there, me go attack them.
Alright.
And if them a try to run that side there, you attack them.
Alright, no problem.
So we are catch them by surprise this time, you know.
Yeah.
You understand?
Watch your little girl to the
Come,
man.
come. What does that come in the bush?
How them there?
Police, you know. Police. Oh, son, get up. When you hear where I come. We not afraid of police, you know. Nobody try to see we jump up, you know. We not afraid of police, you know. Oh, so try know that. What you mean by you not afraid of police, boy? Me and my woman ready for dead right, yes, sir. You not ready for dead?
Shoot me for me, man. Me nah let him. Shoot me, you think that we're afraid for no.
We not afraid of you, no.
Look who shoot them, my man.
We can't shoot them. We can't shoot them, corporal. Remember, say, inspector send up on the job, you know. And if we shoot them, I'm going to know, say, how we do it, you know.
Yo, me want to mash up the youth, them, man. I could just dig a hole and just bury them after we shoot them and get rid of them, no, man.
Well, you want to do that too, you know. You think, say, you alone want to do that. But just to inspect and I going to know about it, say, how we do it.
Everything you talk about specky, my youth. Yo, me don't want to hear nothing about no specky. Me just want to deal with the job and just get it over with, you know. Because them two, you put the two too much in my youth.
You think we friends for inspector? And go out no fig way. Come shot me because we go and dead together with love.
So the try know that, you know.
Come kill we.
You know, you're the girl that talk about say, like you will be a tough chat and they talk about say, she will dead with the man. Give me the gun, no, boss.
No, you can't shoot her,
shoot the girl, no, man.
You can't shoot
You
her,
know,
corporal.
yo, my youth. You get to me nerve, you know, my youth.
Yo.
You won't come for the man.
Yo, give me handcuff. Give me handcuff. Hey, girl, come to me, you know. Try come to me, you know. Specky, see boy look like him a runaway. Go on, him. Hey, girl, come to me, you know.
Think afraid, me afraid too, no.
Come here.
Murder!
Look from when mama call you. How you come like you don't want to come back? Eh? Yo, get up. Get up.
Allow me,
Give me hand.
allow me.
Give me hand.
Allow me. You think say you don't tap me and me man friend? I don't care if you no one lock me up.
Give me hand. Give me hand. Come here. Come here. What's up? Specky, hurry up and come with him.
Me soon come. Yo, criminal, come up here, some man.
Yo, me not going to no jail, you know.
Oh, you mean say nah gonna jail? You're right for saying nah gonna jail because you know say I mag go. Yo, boy, I won't take things for.
Yo, I trying to deal with people like Ag
So you
and
don't know
Goat.
that? You don't know that?
No,
Because
Ag and Goat, you know.
you're Ag and Goat youth. You come here, you come here and be a chat. And be a chat. You not come talk about someone with dead for love.
You see how you come beat up all my woman and chew me name and my gun for me and shoot all one
Shoot you.
and come.
Yeah, you still, I still, you squad in there for save you, you know. And me did want carry no dead, you know. Remember me tell you, I'm mad, you go. You still a chat to me. Shut up your mouth and go some man. When you come here, want to come give people problem about who in love. When you die for love. You're right, because you're going in the mouth. You still a chat to me. You still a chat to me. Shut your mouth and go for you. Go for you.
No, I'm going
Who is you,
to
man?
jail.
Slap off your face.
I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keeps on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home. I feel so lonely, baby, when you're not around. I get so frustrated when I can't get your phone. My mind keep on wandering all over town. I need you, my baby, so please come back home.
Baby girl, me feel the same way, but you know we love connected. When me holding on my arms, you tell me say you feel protected. I love you spread like cancer, me I tell you I'm affected. When you're not around, me wonder, feel so overprotected. Me the day I you me choose, me the day you get selected. When me feel sick and weak, like a scanner girl, you detective. Love was a crime, every day me get arrested. Anything my father God put together, it is a blessing.
Feel so low.